In this video, we'll show you how to install a drawer front. Let's get started. It's best to install your drawer fronts after the doors, so they line up right above the doors on the base cabinets. You will need the following materials to install your new drawer front: the 3/16 inch drill bit, your drill, the double-sided tape, scissors, any kind of sharp knife, the bag of screws that says screw drawer fronts to drawer boxes, the Phillips bit, and the rubber bumpers. Insert the 3/16 inch bit into your drill. Drill 3/16 inch holes in the drawer box so that a screw can penetrate a thick part of the new drawer front. Be careful not to damage anything below as you drill through. You will need your double-sided mounting tape for the next step. Use scissors or a knife to cut 2 pieces of double-sided tape about 1 inch long. Place 1 piece on the left and right sides of the drawer box. Use a sharp knife or sharp fingernails to peel off the backer. Put the drawer box in its place in the cabinet. Line up the drawer front carefully so that it's level and right above the door below. Then press the drawer box firmly against the front. The tape will hold them together temporarily. Carefully remove the drawer box and place it face down on the countertop. Put the Phillips bit in your drill. Set the torque on your drill to 7. Using the screws provided, secure the drawer front to the drawer box using a drill and a drill bit. Place bumpers at the top corners of the drawer front. Reinsert the drawer box. Good work.